Hello everybody. So in my last video I did a tutorial on how to program the switches for the Bulletpoint 8 switch assembly, and somebody commented asking about how to use the momentary switches to control the relay for the winch. So I set up just a really quick demonstration here. So I already have the two switches. This is programmed for momentary and this is programmed for momentary. Then I have just a standard winch relay assembly here. Now the way the relay works, the remote control for the winch applies ground here all the time, and then when you push the in and out button, it applies voltage to either this terminal or this terminal. So all we have to do to use the Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions relay box to run this relay is simply wire this side of the relay to one of the outputs. So here I've used the last two buttons in the top row, so that's the two 10 amp outputs on the relay box assembly. Now these relay outputs are switched voltage, the grounds are constant, and since I already have this center terminal of the winch relay connected to my power supply ground, I don't need to connect to the ground of this winch output. So all I need is the voltage coming out of here. So I have this red wire goes to the first 10 amp output and it goes to this side of the winch relay. The green wire goes to the second 10 amp output and it goes to this side of the winch relay. Now I don't have anything connected to the winch outputs, but you'll hear it click. So when I push the winch out button, I get a click in the relay. And when I click the winch in button, I get a click in the other side of the relay. So now once I wire this up to the winch motor, it'll work just like the remote switch. Winch in will winch in, winch out will winch out, and I can control my winch with the Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions switch box assembly. So that's how you would wire it up. Now I had previously relocated my winch relay under the hood because I didn't like it sitting on top of the winch in front of the grill. And that's a pretty straightforward thing to do, but you don't have to relocate it to hook this up to run the winch. You would just have to run wiring out to the relay box on the top of the winch and then just piggyback on these three circuits, or actually just these two circuits, for the remote winch control. And then that will give you control through the switch box assembly.